Do you love crystals and earthy gems? Then you will love this soft, modern Geode sticker book. So stay tuned at my tea party so that you can check out this fun flip through of this soft, modern Geode sticker book. Thank you for sticking around at my tea party. I am Southern Tea Time. And again, I am going to be flipping through this soft, modern Geode value pack sticker book by the Happy Planner. And this is also available at Joann's. And it is part of their new 2020 spring release. So again, if you are a lover of crystals and earthy gems, you are going to love using the sticker book to plan in your planners. So the first page is paperback stickers. You get these nice textured patterns with fun little quotes on there that says glitter is also an option. And then you get some more of these shapes stickers here on the side, and most of the fonts have the gold foil on them, or they are actually all gold foiled. And again, the next page is paperback. And then again, you get some of these nice quotes that says, be happy, be bright, be you. You are a gem. And I'm loving the little hints of gold foil in all of these stickers. They're so cute. Next up is the third page, and this is actually clear stickers, and they're quote stickers. And so they read, grow a happy life, hustle with the heart, hello sunshine, your heart knows the way, love this. This one says, be aware that you are rare. And this one says, never stop dreaming. And then, of course, they're giving us some nice gems and crystals that are in the gold foil as well. So cute. Loving those. Next up is also clear stickers with also some fun quotes that says radiate positivity, see the beauty in everything, choose happy, move forward with a happy spirit, there's so much to smile about, shine on, and heart of gold. And then of course we get these nice individual hearts here and here as well that actually matches some of the quote stickers here. Next up, we get some nice gems and crystals with different colors. I'm loving these colors as well. And then you get that little hint of gold foil trimming on them. So I absolutely love those. And then again, we get some more gems and crystals in like this marble color. And it actually reminds me of this sticker right here. As well. And then I also have a flip through of the fun alphabets, and that alphabet also has that same pattern in it as well. Next up, we get some nice paperback colorful boxes, which is always good. Oh, yes. So again, some more colorful boxes, and then you get that pattern that I just showed you in that sticker. I love this. So cute. And I love how it captured that gold in the background. I love that. All right, so next up we have some clear stickers again, and these are like corner stickers because you can put these in the corner of your planners. So it's good because if you're like me, I love to add things on the side, just, you know, do a light little deco to my planners, and then I don't have to cut it because it's already shaped to fit into a classic size planner. And so you get 2 pages of those. And then again, we get a different texture here, some earthly tones here, marble tones. And then of course, they're also corner stickers. And then you get 2 pages of that. All right, next up is some more colorful boxes. These are more muted colors, gray, soft pink, and little touches of the little blue there. And then some more colorful boxes. This one says shine bright, so much happy. You got this, heart of gold. It's a plan, be you, and hello today. Couldn't see that. And then I love these little like watercolor splashes here. And I don't know if you can see this. Let me see if I can bring it up a little bit. But right here is like little soft specks of like confetti, I guess you would say. And they're all paperback. And so that's the sticker there, but they give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those there. All right. And then we get some more of those pages, some more of like those little nice little tones there. And again, we get like those little fainted little confetti specks there. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 as well on those to kind of match those as well. And then we have some more clear quote stickers that says, new day, new start, create more, full of heart, be you, not them, shine bright, how rare and beautiful you are, always look on the bright side. And I love how they take each of those patterns, and each of these stickers are quite different because they have different pattern tones in them. Next up is also clear stickers, and this says, she's magic. How wonderful it is that we laugh because our bodies cannot contain the joy. And then we get some of these nice little gold foil confetti right here and right here. And then you get two more here at the bottom. And this says, go where you feel most alive. Be happy, be bright, be you. And the last one at the bottom says, be fearlessly authentic. Super cute. I'm loving these big bowl. And then some of them are trimmed in that gold foil as well. And then again, we get some paperback stickers. These are things to do stickers here. All of those says things to do. And then we get some of these bullet point stickers here that says the plan, focus, and then these are blank, so you can fill in whatever you want in those here. This says today, so busy. Again, we have some blank ones. This one says don't forget, relax, the plan, focus today, and then you also get a blank one here at the bottom. And then again, we get some of those as well. And I love how each page has those repetitive patterns in it as well. So you can actually match this up. This is almost kind of reminding me of like the Color Story sticker book because of all of the different stickers that you can match together to make a spread, and all of them matching with the pattern. You can do so much with it. Again, these are paperback. These are some full boxes. This says make your own magic. This says love the weekend. This one says your heart knows the way. And then you get some of these checklist boxes on the side. And again, they match each of these stickers. So I do love and appreciate how simple they're making it and easy they're making it for us to create nice functional spreads. All right, so this one also is paperback. This says there's so much to smile about. And then this one is a blank box, and this says choose happy with the gold foil. And then again, we get some checklist boxes to match these as well. And I feel like you can actually change this up, because even though they don't match like here and here, but you get these, and I don't know why, maybe, I don't know if that's like an error on this page, but this sticker and these checklist boxes should have been together. And then this sticker and this box should have been together. And then of course that sticker and these stickers should be together, but it doesn't really matter. That's probably just how they made it. It doesn't matter, but I know that these match, you know, the stickers, so it doesn't bother me. Oh, and then they're giving us like a full page of like washi strips here, which I do appreciate and love, because sometimes I do love washi and I have to, you know, try to find a sticker or a washi, a washi to go with the pattern. So I do love how we already have that there. So we get a page of washi there. Also another page of washi here. Oh, okay. And so these are actually paperback stickers as well. I don't know if you can see that, but these stickers says today all the way to here. And then here it says to do all the way down. And then here says important. And then from here on down says remember. And then this says focus. And then starting here says appointments. So you get today, important, focus, to do, remember, and appointment. And then the same here, we're just getting the different color of backsplashes there, or watercolors in the back. And then these are paperback stickers that says just begin, create more, be you, not them, full of heart, and never stop dreaming. And then we're getting some of these stickers on the side here. This says heart of gold, keep it real. The greatest moments in life are the simplest. Shine on, move forward with a happy spirit. Oh, this is really cute. Oh my gosh, that is a really cute sticker. Oh, and so they're giving us some alphabet stickers, which is awesome. That is really cute. So like I said, they're actually giving us a full page to do a complete spread in any of these fun patterns in the sticker book. So you get just 2 pages of alphabet stickers. So that is it for this soft modern geode sticker book from the Happy Planner. So again, if you are a lover of crystals and earthly gems, you are going to love, love, love this sticker book. So I hope you enjoyed this sticker book flip through here at my tea party. And if you did, please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And also make sure to stay tuned and check out my Instagram, because on my IGTV, I do some sticker book flip throughs as well on there. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new here, or if you have been watching for a while, go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss any more of these fun sticker book flip throughs that I have here on my channel. So I will see you guys at my next tea party.